Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a low plank leg raise. When we do these, we are going to have a solid base through our forearms, but we want to make sure that our elbows are directly under our shoulders. And we're going to press the earth away to keep our upper back engaged. We're also going to be squeezing our abs and flexing our quads. So, never sinking down, always pressing through our elbows. And then we are going to bring one leg up. And so when my right leg comes up, I'm squeezing my right glute. We can go all on one side or alternate legs. To get more exercises like this in your workout program, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com and sign up for online personal training.